The 4.0 straight 6, the legend, the only justification for Jeep enthusiasm. The motor we're always so proud of and proud to own, representing an era of Jeep that's never coming back. Bulletproof and hate-proof, except for the fact they nestled two piping hot precats right next to the fuel line, which sends boiling fuel and air pockets right to the heart of your engine. Heat soak ensues, misfires follow, rough idles come to the party, and you're not going anywhere. You're looking at DEI's Heat Wrap Kit, the most popular and effective answer to this issue, and it's been a night and day cure for my 4.0 and its infamous tendency to boil its own fuel. From what I'm reading, the recall Chrysler issued in 2002 only mentioned install of a heat shield on the manifold. This kit levels that up to cover the fuel rail, fuel line, and every injector from the heat those cats kick out that can ruin your firing order. It's made of a high temp rated glass fiber with aluminized facing and deflects the heat away and insulates the system. Think of this wrap as the ankle guards Achilles should have left the house with that day. Get the most out of your legendary 4.0 with this affordable heat wrap kit that was a breeze to install. And don't you dare use the sticker until you're done. You know the rules.